Yeah, no, you're right. I mean, 5 points was the goal today. We got that, so but the way we got it was disappointing. But in the same way, we've shown that we can sort of win when things are not going well for us, and thrown some adversity with injuries, so players had to play out of position. So it's a good way. The boys found a way to win, so we did the job today. Last words were well done. We finished the year top of the table, extended our lead at the top of the table, which is pleasing. So that's a good part, but important that players go away and we spend some time with family, friends, but know that the job's half done, and know that the boys are going to do some work during our break and come back and make sure that we capitalise on the good start to our season. Yeah, I think our defence has been improving over the last couple of weeks. In particular, I think our line speed's improving and putting a lot of pressure on teams. So, so I think our defence has been quite good actually. Just wanted to concede that try, but it was a nice try by from Valsugana. They did it well. So, disappointing today was disappointing. It's important that we'll park that, we'll refresh and reset and get ready for the new year.